First off, for the takoyaki, I shaped, I cut, I trimmed, I did everything that I could to turn them into perfect rounded balls. Next up, I poked them through chopsticks. I painted them with the paint that I've prepared, which is in the color yellow ochre, and I added some white into it so that it won't be that pigmented. I made fake seaweeds with green printouts. Make sure that it's green on the both sides of the paper. I secure them with hot glue gun so that they won't fall off. I used Daiso glass paint in the color brown to make the sauce part, as it will dry out to look a bit transparent, just like the sauce. I sprinkled some of that fake seaweed. Voila! Next up, for the dango, you will need perfect rounded balls, just like the takoyaki, and you will also need to poke them through chopsticks, just like what we did. You will need 3 different colors of paint, which are pink, green, and white. I painted the balls with those colors. That's it. That's how you make dango and takoyaki. They are super easy to make, so make sure you guys make them and share it to me on Instagram at Greeks_snaps. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!
On the burning wires, we don't care.